A blessed day to all. It is my great honor to welcome each and everyone in this most awaited moment of the grade 10 students. Today is a special day to witness the commemoration of Pasay City National Science High School's 2020 Moving Up ceremony. This journey has been a roller coaster ride and a lot has changed for the past 4 years. However, those drastic changes that we've encountered definitely helped to mold us to our better selves today. The entire school community is beyond proud of what you've achieved and what you've become. On behalf of the batch 2020, I would like to acknowledge the school's dedicated faculty and administration, especially Mrs. Lovelyn Jane S. Becerra, PSDS OIC Principal, and Mrs. Ivy Tanglao, Assistant Principal, who extend their effort to build up and assure the well-being of the students. I would also like to recognize the presence and the unceasing support of Dr. Loretta B. Torrecampo, CESO 5, Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Melody P. Cruz, OIC Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, Honorable Emmy Calixto Rubiano, our City Mayor, Honorable Antonina G. Calixto, District Representative, Lone District of Pasay. Likewise, we won't be where we are today without our parents and guardians who served as our inspiration and strength. Last but not the least, I want to express my deepest gratitude to the Almighty Omnipotence for not leaving us in the valley of darkness. One fine day, I've come across with this particular life story of a person who has been so close to my heart ever since. Honestly, I am out of words in terms of describing this person. He's just so out of this world. Perhaps some of you know him. He is the one and only Vincent van Gogh. In his time, people didn't understand his art, yet he remained committed. He was always unique. He experienced lots of shunning and taunting from people who couldn't understand and accept who he is. His journey wasn't a bed of roses, but it surely paved the way to some of the artists today. It's just sad to think that one has to die before they are loved and appreciated. I believe that today is another chance to be better than yesterday. Let's not put aside each other, because every one of us matters and deserves love and appreciation. May it be a simple act of kindness or a life-changing act that we've done, we are making a change in this chaotic world. Before I end this speech, I would like to leave a quote from Marianne Williamson, author, activist, and spiritual leader. Our deepest fear is not that we are inadequate. Our deepest fear is that we are powerful beyond measure. It is our light, not our darkness, that most frightens us. Batch 2020, we have what it takes to be successful in life, and we shouldn't let anyone tell us otherwise. Again, I welcome everyone who are here to witness the cultivation of our success for this moment of our lives. Thank you, and God bless us all.